I am Ibrahim Yekinni, and I was part of the fellows class from 2018 to 2019. So my background is in medicine. I went to medical school in Nigeria, and I completed my housemanship and then worked in public health before joining the fellows program. So I applied to the program because I wanted to learn how to develop medical devices. And I liked how the program here in Minnesota allowed you to work on your own project while also getting the opportunity to work on the project of other fellows. And I think that collaboration is very instrumental. For instance, for my own project, without having an engineering background, the other fellows were very instrumental in the early prototyping and development for my project. And in the same way, I got to contribute my own skills to their project. I also like the boot camp at the start of the fellowship because you get connected to the alumni network and different experts across the medical device value chain. So by the time you are ready with your own project, you have access to every expertise you need to go from a concept to a clinical product. So after the initial needs finding, clinical immersion, I decided to focus on improving accessibility of home dialysis. It was a problem that I found interesting because it was relevant for both the US healthcare system and then back home in Nigeria. So two projects came out of that focus for me. So a connector system for reducing infections in peritoneal dialysis and a compounding device for producing dialysis solutions in low resource settings. So after the fellowship, I continued at the Medical Devices Center, and I also joined a lab here at the university in the Department of Mechanical Engineering as a senior research scientist, so I could continue working on my fellowship project. So for these projects, I've been able to raise over $1 million in grant funding, and the connector has been licensed by a medical device startup here in Minnesota that is helping with the commercialization. So I also got to pitch the connector at the MedTech Innovator. It's a big deal medical device startup competition. And through that, the project piqued the interest of the world's largest dialysis company that we continue to engage in the development of the product even today. So it's really nice that the mentorship from the program do not end with the fellowship. I met my current mentors through the fellowship, and they continue to provide guidance and support on my projects today. Overall, I'll say that it has definitely been a life-changing experience, and I look forward to using the knowledge and the skills and confidence I've acquired in developing even more medical devices.